Hey, it's Paul with Swish, and welcome to 90 Seconds of MLB Daily Fantasy for Saturday, July 25th. First up for you today, our recommended pitcher, Taylor Jungmann of the Milwaukee Brewers. Jungmann has a salary of $7,400 and he'll be pitching against the Arizona Diamondbacks. Now this season he has a 2.04 ERA and he's averaging 12.5 FanDuel points per game. He's been even better, however, in his last 5 starts where he has a 1.29 ERA. He's only allowed 1 earned run per game. He has striking out 5 in those contests and has 13.4 FanDuel points per game. The rookie has simply been incredible. And Arizona has been terrible in their last 10 games. They're averaging just 3.1 runs, 10.1 strikeouts. Jungmann has a red-hot Brewers offense behind him. He should put up some points tonight. And next up, our recommended batter, Chris Coghlan of the Chicago Cubs. Coghlan has a salary of $2,700 and he'll be going up against Cole Hamels. In his last 5 games, he's hitting .368, he's slugging .632, and he's averaging 2.8 FanDuel points per game. But the key to this matchup is his history against Hamels. He's hitting .346, he's slugging .731, and he has 2 home runs in 30 plate appearances. Large enough sample size for us to say Coghlan sees the ball well against Hamels. And Hamels has been pretty bad. In his last 5 starts, he has a 7.46 ERA and he's allowing 7.8 hits per game. So the fact that Coghlan is going up against an ace should not worry you too much, considering Hamels has not been pitching like his ace self. Coghlan provides good value in the outfield. And finally, by popular demand, we have brought back Onage, where we look at players who have a great history against their opposing pitcher. Let's start with Albert Pujols. He has a salary of $4,200, and in 30 plate appearances against Giovanni Gallardo, he's hitting .522, has an on-base percentage of .600, and is slugging 1,000, and has 3 home runs. Moving on to Adrian Beltre, he has a salary of $3,600, and in 26 plate appearances against Hector Santiago, he's hitting .318, is slugging .818, and has 3 home runs as well. And then we're finishing up with a risky player in Kurt Suzuki due to his inconsistent playing time, but he has a salary of $2,200, and if he does play against CC Sabathia, he has a good history against him. He's slugging .645 and has 4 home runs. He would be a value play at catcher.